Hey everyone, want to add Google Fonts to Shopify? In this video, I'll show you how to add and customize Google Fonts on your Shopify store step by step. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and sign in to your account. Next, go to the ** online store * section and open your theme settings or theme editor. Now check the typography options available in your theme. Many Shopify themes already include built-in font settings where you can change headings and body text easily. If the Google font you want is not available, open the Google Fonts website and choose the font family you want to use. Next, add the Google Fonts code to your Shopify theme files by opening the theme code editor and placing the font link in the appropriate section. After adding the font, update your theme CSS and apply the new font family to the elements you want to customize. Save your changes and preview your Shopify store to make sure the new font appears correctly. Finally, test your store on desktop and mobile devices to confirm the font is readable and works well with your design. And that's how to add Google Fonts to Shopify. With the right fonts, you can create a more attractive and professional-looking online store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.